Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today, I'll show you how to crochet these easy lace-up slippers. Plus, we'll add puff paint to the bottom for grip. To do this, I'm using 200 yards of worsted weight yarn and a G-hook. To begin, chain 36. Because this pattern stretches and laces up, it's a one-size-fits-most teens and adults. For row 1, skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet in each chain across. All stitches in this pattern will be made in the back loops only. At the end, you'll have 35 single crochet stitches. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. To begin, make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, back loops always. Then chain 1, skip 1, and repeat the single crochet stitch in each of the next 3 stitches. Then chain 1, skip 1, and repeat the 3 single crochet stitches. This row will form the eyelets for the laces. You'll continue with this pattern across the row. You can see how the chain 1 spaces are forming a little hole or space or eyelet for the laces. Here is the completed row. Now for rows 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, you'll chain 1, turn, and make 1 single crochet in the back loops only. Even over those chain spaces, don't go into them, just use the back loops instead. And you'll end up with 35 single crochet stitches on each row. For row 8, we're going to rapidly increase the number of stitches. For this row, we'll be making 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch across. Your work will ruffle and will curl and do all sorts of weird shapes. This is completely normal and actually forms the curvature of the foot, heel, and ankle section in the end. At the end, you'll have 70 single crochet stitches. For rows 9 through 24, you'll just make 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch across. Each one of these rows will have 70 single crochet stitches on them. Before you get too far along, measure your gauge. You should have 8 single crochet stitches in 2 inches and 9 rows in 2 inches. If not, adjust your hook size or your tension or the yarn you are using. Here are the completed 24 rows of the slippers thus far. We're going to rapidly decrease stitches on this next row, getting us back to the original 35 single crochet stitches. So for row 25, we're going to do a single crochet 2 together stitch over the first 2 stitches, and then another single crochet 2 together stitch over the next 2 stitches, and another single crochet 2 together stitch. This row will pull your stitches together and make your work curl even more. At the end, you'll have 35 single crochet stitches. For rows 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, you'll just make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. And don't be surprised if your edges are very uneven. Because of the rapid decrease, the edges will pull inwards a bit. For row 31, we'll repeat row 2, which is the eyelet row. Start with the 3 single crochet stitches, then the chain 1 and skip 1, then the 3 single crochet stitches again, and the chain 1, skip 1, followed by 3 single crochet stitches. Continue with this repeat of row 2 pattern across. And finally, for row 32, we're just going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch across. At the end, fasten off and leave about a 12-inch tail end for cinching up the toe section. So where we left off, we're going to cinch together this shorter edge section. You can use a crochet hook or a yarn needle if you wish. I just go in and out of every 2 rows or so along the edge. However, feel free to use another sewing technique to get this section closed. Once you have prepared this edging with the yarn, pull the end to close up this section. You can see how it closes the toe section nicely. You can add a few more stitches here to secure the toe section. Be sure to weave in the end securely. And that's it for the crochet and sewing section. The rest of the slipper is formed simply by lacing it up with laces. I like about 170 chains for the laces, but feel free to add or subtract from this number. Then, just like if you were lacing up shoes, use the chain to go in and out of the eyelet section. If you have slippery floors in your house like I do, I follow the directions on the label of my puffy paints, and I add little dots or sometimes lines along the bottom of any yarn-based slipper or sock. These will help create a bit of a grip on the bottom. And that's it. That's how I make cute lace-up slippers. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.